What's up, y'all, and welcome back to B-Rent's Garage. We had a little hiatus there for a minute. Some complications in life, but nothing crazy. Got had a little small workout accident. It took 10 staples to the head, but I'm good. Today I'm not the most exciting. I'm going to do an oil change to the car, the first one. Mostly for purposes of documenting my oil change, I guess, for like warranty and stuff. Got my genuine Ford fluids and filter. I'm not going to bore y'all with too much of that. And then I've got a JLT oil separator and a Steeda Clutch spring we're going to put in. Should be fun. Thank you so much for coming back. Alright, there we go. She's all back on the ground. I did already take the liberty of pouring 5 quarts in her. Go ahead and do the other 5 right now. And we will be good to go. Man, how do y'all get these open? This is like the best way I know how, personally. I'll try to fight it. Take her off, get her done. It is hot as hell out here today. I don't know if y'all can hear the dirt track in the background. They're racing out there today. I actually need to go to that. I've never been. All right, 10 quarts. Should be bueno to go. Let's see, find that damn rag. Yeah, what the hell did it? There it is. All right. Now I gotta find the dipstick. Start her up. Oh, and in case y'all are wondering why I put this here, I was afraid it was gonna hit the garage door there. go. Here's the dipstick. All right. Use the wide door. All right, let's pull the oil and see where she's at. All right, pull the dipstick. For reference, she has 1,800 miles on her today. In case anybody wondered. That is one flimsy dipstick right there, boy. There it is. Perfect. Perfect. She should be a happy coyote now. Already reset the oil life meter. Should be good to go. See if we can't move on to other stuff at this point. Turn that off. I kind of gotta say, I don't understand why they didn't do something different with that engine cover. That's actually a beautiful intake manifold. They should have shown that off. All right, let's see what we got here. That's too easy. All right. If you are doing this side, the JLT instructions call for a sound tube delete. I already deleted mine, so I'm good to go. All right, I'm gonna try to bring y'all in for a little closer view. I don't think the lighting's real good. Sorry. The day got away from me. We're gonna take the JLT adapter, screw it right here. See if I can get you over there. Just behind the air box, right there. You see it? Yeah, right there. Mount that real quick. And it said to leave it loose. So that is what we will do. All right. Now I'll bring, I don't know what to call this. I don't know why they call it an oil separator. I mean, I know that's what it is, but I know it as a catch can. Had one of these on my Dodge Magnum. Plug that in there. That won't come off. Made by a different company, though. It was made by Billet Technology. Oh, that's a tight little fit right there. It's nice etching and all that, but it sure does go away. We put that bracket in there. I will say that JLT does, I feel like they make quality stuff. I need to find a screwdriver now. I almost hit my damn head. There we go. That should work for now. I feel like it would definitely be better if I had a better screwdriver, but this is what I found. Boy, if that could just stay right there for just a minute. Oh, I was way off. I do intend to get the one for the passenger side. I thought that's what I ordered, but apparently I suck at ordering. Okay, that's in. Just got to tighten that up. My handy dandy 10 millimeter. Alright, that's good. Put all this crap back together. I'll do that off camera. You can imagine how it goes. I gotta say, I just took the car out for a drive, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of been stumbling with the clutch. And I mean, this is the first manual car I've had since, I don't know, 04, 05. So, I mean, I've driven other things manual for a living, but it's the first manual car I've had since 05. So it's a whole different animal. But that clutch spring, do it. It's nice. I'm not stumbling when I start out. That's the only one problem I've been having when I start on a manual car, in that car especially. So I'm just kind of stumbling, and I've even killed it a couple times, but it is to be expected. But yeah, good install, good day. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. I appreciate it. So I had some footage comparing the factory clutch spring, which is this one, and the Steeda, and I could actually compress the Steeda clutch spring a little bit with my hand. This thing can't. Jesse, my friend, this is yours. Free of charge. I will ship it to you for free. But I just want to take a minute and say thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, just thanks for being a part of the garage. I really do appreciate it. I got next weekend coming up. Should do another install on the Stang. I'm gonna keep that one close to the vest for a minute, but it's not a big deal. But to me, I think it's probably a labor-intensive install, maybe. We'll see. But let me know what you think. Please comment. Please tell me what's happening. Thank you guys again, and have a good night.